We have complete 100% regional representation, and we have 90% provincial representation. We have 80% of our national officers and National Council Assembly, National Council members attendees. So we have reached more than the quorum, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, we have a quorum.
At this point, to facilitate the conduct of the National Assembly, I am appointing Secretary Alcocer, PDP National Vice Chairman, to continue with the presiding of the meeting. Secretary Raul Lambino, PDP Vice President for External Affairs, as moderator for this National Assembly. If there's no objection, then we proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Secretary Alfonso Pusi is hereby appointed to continue with the presiding the meeting, while Secretary Raul Lambino is hereby appointed as the Assembly moderator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman, Secretary. Nakakatuwa naman ngayong gabing ito na napakarami ng attendees natin. We were not expecting to have this kind of attendance tonight. And I congratulate everybody. Napakita natin ang suporta natin sa ating partido, especially to our chairman, Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. So we'll proceed with today's meeting. And today we have an agenda that was prepared and approved last April 19.